fist bump, pump, pumping bad blood through the speakers. Bad blood, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Ever heard about the bad blood story? Took place in 1892. Father said his son, the house, they county, crossed the lines of a family feud. Generation deep, no one knows how it started, or how many sides of members departed. It was really bloody on both sides of the battle. Erratic kings gonna protect their castle. Sun is walking in the dead of day. A man says, hey, I'm talking to you. Boy looks up, says, sorry, Mr. Brother, I have a simple job to do. I have a letter from my daddy, he gave it to me, and I better mail it. It come on with one page, you see. Sir, I don't want any trouble. I know we got beef and we're living on a bubble. Bad blood, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Bad blood, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up. Blood on the floor, blood on the speakers, fist bump, pump, pumping bad blood through the speakers. Bad blood, there's about to be a massacre, so hold up.
Well, good morning, folks. Welcome to G4 BASSIN. Hope you like today's video. We're going to be out here in LaGrange, Texas area, fishing a lake, Fayetteville Lake. So I've never been out here, first time fishing it. It's ought to be interesting. There's a possible chance for a new PB today. I mean, this lake has known to have some giants, and I mean some giants. Out here with a buddy, about to meet him. It is approximately 6:08 in the morning. I've been up since about 4. I left my house about 4 o'clock. So we'll see if we can get on today. Should be interesting. See y'all on the water. Alright guys, we're about to get on the water here. My boy Jerry over there in his Hobie. Check it out. Sweet rig. Got the old Coosa rocking and rolling, and this is where we'll be fishing today. Fayetteville Lake. Never been here before, so we'll see what happens. We're just gonna try and figure it out and do what we can. See y'all on the water. There we go. Oh, that's a tank. Oh, dude, that was a freaking tank. Oh my god. My hooks were all in this. Of course they were in this. Good lord. Oh. Holy shit! Oh, that's what I'm talking about, dude. Oh, Matt lures here. Oh, dude, that's a nice fish, bro. Oh. Bro, I think I might have got to put him on the board, guys. Hold on a sec. That's oh, that's what I'm talking about. This thing better not come off there. All right, that's what I'm talking about, guys. Check that out. All right, let me get my other camera set up on the old Matt lures. Didn't even see that coming, guys, at all. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, let's put you back right there real quick. No. Yeah, the swim bait. Okay. Clean off the old board here. Dang. The curse. She's just a fatty though. Good fish though. 18 and a half. 18 and a half, guys. Check that out. Solid fish here on Fayetteville. First fish of the day. Little swim bait. Let's get it back in the water. Alright guys, I have to say goodbye. She's just, you're free. There you go. Dang. How's it going, guys? It's Sunday. I was out in the water this morning, so I'm doing an outro, I guess, exit video for Friday morning. I went to Fayette Lake, as y'all saw. Went out there, you know, great lake, love it. Love all the trees, you know, all the rocks, all the boulders and stuff, man. You can find them. If you find them, you can just drag across there and pick them on up. But most of the fish we found were by the trees, and they were out there in the reeds, man. And them reeds, whew, they were tough to get through. Honestly, I'd say you need about an ounce, maybe three-quarter ounce. You get away with it, but probably more than likely an ounce of a punching weight to get back into those reeds. But as you saw, I caught 2 fish on the Matt Lures swim bait. And that is a swim bait I freaking love, man. That thing is awesome. It's killer, custom handmade. And this thing right here is money. Money. I'll tell you what. But Fayette as a whole. I would love to go back. I was out there in the Coosa HD. Okay. That thing's a monster. I love that kayak. You know, for lakes, rivers, anything so far, I love this kayak. The wind did pick up there at the end, and it was pretty windy in the morning. We were probably about a 10-mile-an-hour wind that morning, but at the end there was like 15 to, I'd say, 20, and it handled it great, you know. So any of y'all looking to get in a Jackson kayak, look at the Coosa, man. If y'all do a lot of river fishing, recommend it 100%. And it does great on lakes, you know. Me personally, eventually in the future, I am going to get a pedal drive, and I'm looking at the Big Rig FD-HD. That thing is sweet. And I'm not, you know, I'm only going to get it one place only. TG Canoe and Kayaks, man. Those guys are there. Help you out any way they can. But I just want to talk about a couple things, you know, make the video. I've had a couple questions about this net here. How did I get this? Pretty much this is about, I want to say it's an 1.5 inch PVC. What I did was I found an old vacuum connection there, like the older vacuums. And I just screwed it on up and I put electrical tape on there. But man, honestly, this arm, extra little, you know, foot or so, help you out, man. You like these nets aren't very long as they come, you know. So this extra little foot here help you out when you're in the kayak trying to get them. Just cleaning off the yak from the day and getting on the water. Just gonna talk about my rods real quick. You know, tell you what I'm throwing here. I got the Bayou bug jigs tied on with some Bandito bugs there on this rod here. Mojo Bassin 7-1 flipping stick there. Hell of a rod. Love them. I love St. Croix, man. These guys do hell of a job on their rods. My next rod there it's got a Bayou jig 1/2 ounce. I was using that to punch through some pads today with a Bandito bug as well. And that is a 7.6. I usually use that 7.6 there for frogs, crankbaits, top water, anything really top water, chatterbaits. I'll throw chatterbaits on it. And on the end there, that is a rod specific for me. I just leave that lure on there. I never take it off. That's where my 6-inch strong shad slow sink is from Matt Lures. And I'll tell you what, man, that is one hell of a lure. And I love the rod I got with it. It's perfect. That whole setup's perfect. But anyways, guys, Fayette as a whole, love it. It was great. So I recommend anyone, you know, to go out there. I recommend fish the trees. Throw a swim bait, throw something like that. Top water was on in the morning. The reeds, man, those fish are in the reeds. There's no doubt in my mind they're in the reeds. So if you get there and you hear them, you hear that pop, pop, pop. You know, my buddy Jerry got on one with top water. Y'all go check him out, by the way. Kayak Fishing with Jerry Hernandez. Follow his YouTube channel, subscribe, like, and I turned the notification on for him. But yeah, man, those fish at Fayette, there's some giants there. You could see them, you could just hear them, and you see the reeds just kind of moving. But it was awesome. I love the experience. I can't wait to go back. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and remember, please subscribe, like, turn the notification on, and hope y'all enjoy G4 BASSIN. Thank you.